We'll guide you through how to create Wix groups. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website. You'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on the Marketing and SEO section. Here, you'll see an option called Wix Groups. Click on that and you'll be taken to the group's dashboard. To create a new group, click on the Create Group button, usually found at the top right corner. A new window will pop up where you can input all the details of your group. Start by giving your group a name. Make it something catchy or descriptive so members know what the group is about. Then, you can add a description. This is where you provide more details about the group's purpose or what members can expect. Next, you'll see an option to set the privacy settings. You can choose between public, where anyone can join, or private, where people need to be approved to join. After setting the privacy, you can upload a group image. This image can be a logo or any picture that represents the group. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Create button. Your group is now live. You can invite people to join by sharing the link or sending invites directly. You can also manage your group members, create posts, and start discussions within the group. It's a great way to build a community around a shared interest or topic. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.